Hi guys, it's Sunday lunchtime and this is what we're having for lunch. We've got a huge plate of salad, so everything on here is speedy apart from the egg and the pastrami and the pita bread, which is part of my healthy extra, and it's full with pastrami, a yogurt dressing with mustard powder in, and jalapenos and red roasted peppers inside of the pita breads, and then as you can see, just loads and loads of salad. Good morning, it's Monday morning. Some of the meals that we've eaten and made during the week. So for breakfast today, we've got melon, it's watermelon with some blueberries. Got a rice cake here, the salt and vinegar one, which I absolutely love. That's 1.5 sins with a low fat cheese triangle, Laughing Cow cheese triangle as part of my healthy option A, and I've got 2 pieces of toast from my healthy option B with some pate on, and that's 3.5 sins, so it's 5 sins here as part of my breakfast. Dinner tonight, so we're still on Monday. I've done new potatoes, chicken breast and a pork loin chop because they were in the fridge. I got them out to use, put them back in the fridge, wasn't going to use them, but then needed to use both of them, so we've got a chicken breast and it's only a thin loin chop each, and then we've got a third of a plate of broccoli and carrots, so it's all very slim and well friendly. Good morning, Tuesday morning, and this is breakfast. So there's 2 slices of wholemeal bread from a 400-gram loaf with Laughing Cow light cheese triangle cheese on, and as you can see, lots of fruit there. Still on Tuesday, and for lunch today we're having jacket potato with 2 low-fat Laughing Cow cheese triangles, tomatoes, mushrooms and baked beans that have like flooded all over the plate. And for dinner tonight we've got Slim and Wild sausages and leftover new potatoes which I've dry roasted in the oven, and then we've got peas, cabbage and carrots. On top of the sausages we've got onions and leeks, and I've made a Slim and Wild gravy with oxo and corn flour. And it's Wednesday, this is brunch, so we skipped breakfast, we just weren't hungry. I know, maybe not a great thing to do, but we just didn't want it. So we've got beans on toast with bacon and 2 poached eggs and brown sauce for brunch. Yeah, hi, so for dinner tonight, I have made chili meatballs with boiled basmati rice, and I've put a couple of hard-boiled eggs, which I'd cooked, and then popped them in with the chilli towards the end of the cooking process, and then I've got a bowl of salad with it. Good morning, it's Thursday. This is Thursday's breakfast. I've got 3 salt and vinegar rice cakes and 3 of the Laughing Cow light cheese triangles, some blueberries and some tomatoes. Yeah, hi everyone, it's Saturday today and this is lunch. We've got jacket potato with beans and cheese from the healthy A option and salad. Yeah, hi guys, so it's Saturday night and I've made lasagna Slim and Wild style with loads of speedy veg. Oh, and a few peas. Hi guys, it's Monday and this is this evening's meal, jacket potato with homemade chilli and lots of mixed veg on the side.
But you walk right past me, pretending like you don't see.